Today I'm going to show you how to get the beta version of Roblox. First, if you don't know what the beta version means, that means like the mobile version of Roblox on your computer. Let me show you, like this. You can, like the avatar shop is just like you on the mobile. So first you need to go to Roblox player, right click it, click show more options. Now click create shortcut. Should pop up a new Roblox player and it should say 2 Roblox player 2. Now you go right click that and you click properties. Now you see this target. You want to highlight the launcher. Highlight launcher. Then just delete it. Then you type beta. Type beta. Oops, my caps lock is on. Just click beta. Then you go to here. You see dash app. Now you need to add one more dash. Now you need to click apply. Then you click OK. Do not click OK. It won't save. So after you click apply, click OK. Now click into it. It should be the beta version of Roblox. Yep. And if you wanna like rename it, just right click, show more options, rename, and like Roblox beta. Alright, so that's it. See ya in the next video. Bitch, I'm not gonna feel like I walk a warning. I'm talking your bitch that he locked on my toilet. Walk with the block, I'm a fucker of all. Boy, out with his head, we play soccer. I do what I want, I act like a toilet.